Namaste, I am Ruhi Aluwalia, your coach, therapist, and the tarot reader. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about the energy of the week according to the tarot in four main domains: health, career, relationship, and finances. And towards the end of the video, I'm going to answer to one of your personal questions. So think about that question that is very important in your life right now. So let's start. To begin with, we've got this card. This card tells us that there are going to be unexpected changes in our life. There are going to be unforeseen things. That means we cannot control over everything. And if things do not go the way you wish them to go, just accept. Letting go is very, very important this week. You may have some unforeseen changes that you may not have predicted or planned for. It's okay. This card also tells you to push your limits. That means get out of your lazy mode and get into the action mode. As far as professional life is concerned, we've got these two cards. These two cards tell us that you're going to enjoy a good professional life, but at the same time, you can be in wait for some important things. That means I see you thinking, reflecting, and waiting for some important deals to happen. That's okay. Don't push things this week. Just accept and let go. As far as finances are concerned, we've got these two cards. Now, these two cards tell me that finances will come into your life through some signatures, some important legal formalities, because I see people doing a lot of paperwork this week so that, the money circulates in your life. So you're going to receive money, or maybe you're going to spend money, but in a very fixed legal way with signatures, and everything is going to be very, very solid. As far as the love life is concerned, we've got these two cards. You may have a desire to kind of escape from things, not addressing things, not addressing problems. But this is what you do not have to do this week. This week, gather your courage, your strength to address issues and go ahead. As far as health is concerned, we've got these two cards. These two cards tell us that in spite of the fact that there is an improvement in your overall health, you may still feel a little bit stagnated. Just let go of all the mental worries is very important. I also see that some people could be having troubles related to the lower body, from your navel to your feet. If that is the case, go and check out for a doctor, a therapist who can help you to feel better. As far as the message of the week is concerned, we've got this beautiful card that tells us that even though the week starts with some ups and downs, unforeseen changes, but towards the end, you'll see that everything falls into place. Everything is under protection. We are really being protected this week if we allow things to happen in their normal course. Don't push onto things, just accept and let go. Now I'm going to answer to one of your personal questions. So think about that question deeply, connect to that question as I flip the cards. And let's see what the cards have to guide us. So I'm going to pull out three cards for the past, present, and the future. So, whatsoever be your question, in the past, this situation really generated a lot of stress in your life. I feel that there was a lot of burden on your back, or you took it, or somebody else gave it to you and accepted it. It generated a lot of stress. As of now, you've got to be careful around yourself. You have to be ready with all the backup plans. You just can't go ahead without backup plans. So think about that situation, revise the situation, see how you can protect yourself. In the future, I see you really going ahead as a bossy person. Some important decisions will have to be made. Those decisions may not please everyone, but sometimes we cannot make everybody happy. So when a decision has to be taken, it has to be taken. These are the general potentials. In case if you are interested to know more about your life journey, or about making an important decision, if you have to make choices, book your personal appointment with me for tarot, clairvoyance, mediumship, and the link is given in the description box. So click on the link and you will have an access to your personal appointment right away, online or one-on-one. If you like this video, please hit on the like button, share this video with at least 3 people that you know to inspire, guide others, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to continue to receive further notifications. Until then, I wish you a beautiful week and lots of love.